Today we got the Redmi 14C. This device has broken LCD and we are going to replace it. So we starting from the back. It's made from plastic. We need to remove the back plastic cover, remove SIM card tray. I'm trying to remove it from the frame, but it's not. We need to remove the back. The screws is under it, so we need to remove it. You can use any tiny piece, put it inside and put some alcohol so we can make a gap, and then we can start removing the back. It's not that hard, but you have to be careful not to damage the back because we are going to put it back. So we have the gap. Now you can use any plastic card and then you can swipe all over the edges. No need to go in the middle of the phone, just all over the edges. This will be fine. We don't need to damage any flex cable, but there is no flex cable except for the fingerprint or the power button. The alcohol is very good to make the adhesive very soft, and then we can remove it. The circle of these cameras is designed from the outside. It's not from under it. There is nothing under it. This is a design from the back cover. Alright, remove all the screws from the top and the bottom. The SIM card is removed. Now we can detach the frame from the housing. You can see the LCD is broken. We are going to replace with middle good quality for this customer. We don't have original one, but it's a mid quality and we are going to replace it. As you can see, I told you we have fingerprint. This you have to remove it. Be careful not to cut it or damage it. Use any plastic and unplug that cable. Alright, this is the device. First, we need to unplug the battery and then we are going to remove it. As I can see, all flex cables is under the battery, so we must remove it. We are going to remove it from the orange side. It's where we should pull out the battery. There's two sides. We are going to use the long one. The tiny one is not the one we should push. I know it when I was pulling out. It didn't pull out. So we have to push the other one. Now I figured it out and then I start pulling the other side. This one we should remove. Be careful not to make tough power. We don't want to damage the battery or bend the battery. It's very, very sensitive. It could be explode. Alright, we are going to use this flex cable to be removed. Alright. Now we are going to remove the LCD. You can remove it the way you want. It's already broken, so we don't need to keep it for testing. We just need to start making an edge. Consider subscribing. We need to make a gap. In this gap, we can remove the screen easily. Without a gap, we need some time to make that gap. Alcohol, as I told you, is the best choice for you to make the job easier to remove the LCD. Now we have the card, and now we can start detaching. Remove it. Be careful your hands. It may cut or injure during this process because that tiny piece may cut your hand. Alright, keep removing. We have also one flex cable at the bottom connected the subboard. I don't know I remove it. Oh, I didn't notice that. You have to remove it. Alright. A few heat will be better because I don't need the glass to be everywhere. Alright. The screen is out. Remove everything from the bench and start removing the glass. As I told you, don't use your hands. Wear gloves will be better. Also, wear glasses, protection to your eyes. This glass could fly to your eyes. It's very, very important to do that. I'm in this job for 10 years. Holding the glass will not cut my hands or get injured from it. I know how to use with glass or to handle the glass. I was looking the word in my brain. Alright, use alcohol to remove everything. We don't need any tiny piece of glass to stay in the frame. Otherwise, when we put the screen, it could be cracked. It could be cracked, yeah. Exactly. You have to remove everything and also remove the adhesive that was from the company. You can see it. Everything is being removed. This device is the first time being opened and first time being repaired. Alright. There is a few seconds why here. Alright. Keep cleaning. Make everything perfect. The perfect clean you done, the perfect straight the LCD will be when you put it down. So this is very, very important for anyone who want to start in this industry. You have to be very careful for these things. I put the screen, test it, make it sure it's working, the LED is working. The phone wasn't charged, so I had to make sure the screen is working, unplug the battery and continue doing your job. It's very important to test your LCD before assemble the phone, because you will get guarantee with the screen like it was, but if you put it and the glue on it, you will not have any protection or warranty. So you can see how I did put the screen. I just cut that from the video because it's not necessary for a long video. It's not that hard how to put the screen because you are going to see every details if you continue this video. Make a small line of that adhesive. It's from Relife CP002. It's a black and water resistant. Don't cover the sensors and the camera and the ear speaker at the top. Small line will be enough. No need to put in the middle. Just a small line as the company did. No more, no less. Alright, now it's time to put the LCD in the position. Make sure 2 flex cable goes from the frame and start pushing the screen from the bottom to the top to make sure it's in the good position. This screen is making a straight good line. I like it. Some screens, it's somehow thick and you will see it out from the frame, and this is not good, and that means the screen is not good, from a bad company, or it's a bad screen. I don't recommend it. Alright, we put the subboard connector or the subboard flex cable in the position. Now we are going to connect the screen flex cable, the last one. Push it and to the top. Alright, that's perfect. Now let's put these sticker as it was, where the battery should be. I don't want to remove it. I always prefer and recommend to put everything as it was. Don't think you have idea what's need to put and what's need to be removed. Every screw, every sticker, everything the company what it did, you have to put it and keep it as what the company did. They have experience and they have studied for many years to make this phone and to make everything perfect for you, and you are going to keep that as what we learned from them. Alright, everything seems good. Now we are going to put the housing, connect the fingerprint flex cable, and that's it. We are almost done. You have to put the screws and the back, and then our job will be done. So, if you have any questions, you can just leave it down in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.